I get this question often as far as how does a cavity look, aka decay of the tooth. So this is actually more on the severe side of decay. These are the different stages of decay. It starts off as a small caries, aka cavity, which is in the first picture. And at this stage, this is called a incipient cavity, meaning that it can actually be stopped with fluoride and proper brushing and keeping the enamel, the top surface of the tooth, or whatever the decay might be forming, as clean as possible. Fluoride's a mineral that will help mineralize your enamel. That's why it's recommended by dental healthcare professionals, and also it's in your toothpaste. The second picture is that it's the decay has gone through the enamel, and the middle one is the dentin. Dentin's the next layer after enamel, and it's basically the decay is eating away at the enamel, and it's in the second layer. So at this point, fluoride will not help you. At the dentin caries, at this point, usually it would be maybe a one surface or second surface, depending how deep the caries is, that you would need a filling. A dental filling will be necessary. The next layer is the pulp. After the dentin, there's the pulp, and that's when we're getting into the nerve of the tooth. At this point, you might need what's called a root canal, RCT. Dentists might do it, or they might send you out to a specialist, which is a endodontist, who takes care of nerve damage, or you're going to get a root canal. That's a specialist. Lastly, you have gum disease, because not only has decay affected your enamel, it's now affected your gum tissue. It's so severe, and at this point, you might lose this tooth. It's very important, kids. Brushing twice a day and flossing goes a long way. And make sure you see me, a dental hygienist of 14 years, to make sure you're getting your routine cleanings. Bye. So this is a good way to also reduce decay and cavities. Definitely, it's a toothbrush, but it's a certain kind of toothbrush. It's the 360 toothbrush that we carry in our TikTok shop, and it has literally 3 separate heads to allow you to brush your teeth all at once. To brush all 3 surfaces all at once. Check us out.